Welcome back to another episode of Howell Farms. Today, we're going to do a quick overview of all the stuff we did this spring, summer, our food plots, and how we're going to go ahead and prep for the fall. So let's take a look. Alright, now that we're down here on the ground, first thing we're going to look at is this Pennington dual season. Alright, this Pennington dual season, if you haven't seen our other videos on it, I'll link it. Be kind of over here in the corner, right about here. The last update video we did, it's been about 2 weeks ago. This stuff has gotten even taller. The grass inside of it's gotten even thicker. The deer are still using it, but it's about ran its course. I think that's all it's going to do. So it did good for us. It actually added a lot of cover or screening between where the deer were coming out, say the road and the house. It actually blocked a lot of the view of the street for the deer, so we've had a lot more deer come out of the woods because they felt safer than if this wouldn't have been here. All right, now after we planted that this year, we planted our corn. We have learned a lot from this. If you want to go look at our other video of us going over this corn, I'll link it up here. First mistake, we didn't plant it far enough apart to run the tractor over it and clean the rows out. Second mistake, we're going to do a soil test before we try to do this again next year, because I don't think the ground is right and it's not letting the corn grow its full potential. Now, even though this corn's only this tall, it's still trying to produce corn. So I'm just gonna let it go, see what happens. I'll eventually spray it and bush hog it. Now that was the part we did the video on. This other part of corn over here we planted too, just for fun, and it didn't do any good either. I think the ground's just bad. But like I said, this week I'm gonna try to get a soil test kit, take my soil sample, run it over to Mississippi State, and let them test it. Now, last week, I know I didn't make a real video, but I did give a little short, a YouTube short on the millet I planted. Guys, the millet came out great like the first week, and after that, this is what happened. I don't know if the soil's not right. Like I said, we haven't got it soil tested. If it got too much rain, if it just got too hot for it. I've never planted millet, so if you guys have any suggestions on what happened right here, comment down below if you think you may know what happened. And also, this plant is coming up now, and I'm not sure what this is. So also, if you know what this is, comment down below. But here in the next couple weeks or so, I'm probably going to spray all this, kill it all, take my soil sample first, spray it all, kill it all, and we're going to get all this prepped for the fall. Now, we haven't decided what we want to plant yet, what kind of food plot, whatever we want to plant, we haven't decided. Got a couple things in mind, but hey, I'm open to suggestions here. If anybody has any suggestions, which we deer hunt in here, shooting houses over there. We also have a corn feeder right here that I've made. If anybody would like to know how to make this, let me know. I can make a video. It's super simple. Also got our salt lick and our mineral lick. But I'm open to suggestions. If anybody has anything they suggest that would plant easily here and would grow really good, let me know. We'll consider it. We'll look at it. Biggest thing I want to do is get my soil test back. Take a soil sample and get it back, because this ground could be terrible. I have no idea. We have put fertilizer on it. We have put lime on it. But did we do enough? Did we do too much? The only way to know is to send it off and get a soil sample. Also, I have this little treat area over here that I'm thinking I'm gonna try to get it prep, kill everything, and plant like a clover patch over here. It gets some pretty good sunlight, but we're trying to find something we can do in this area where the trees are at. I'm thinking I'm gonna do clover. I don't know. Like over there, if you guys have something that you say, hey Nate, this will grow way better right here than the clover will, I think you should do it. Here's some stuff that we've done and here's how it turned out. I'm open to suggestions. I'm always open to suggestions. This channel is to help me learn. It's to help y'all learn. It's to see what works, what doesn't work, and have fun in the meantime. So there you guys have it. There's our spring food plot. Didn't work, worked. Corn semi worked. This area we're gonna try to get ready for the fall. And I'm gonna come back and spray all this and turn it under. So I hope you guys enjoyed this channel. Next week, I think I'm gonna go make a video of the mineral site that we put in. I'll link it here so you can go see that. Give you guys an update on that, see how it's going. I've went and checked it since that video has been made, pulled the camera card. There's a good bit of deer going through it. I haven't seen any big bucks yet, but that's okay. I don't think they hang out in that area during the summer. They come in the fall. So there you guys have it. Well, until next time, I'll see you on the farm.